Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to the vehicle, or in this particular model's case, to show you that it does not have Bluetooth. Typically on your interface somewhere, you would have something that has like a media button or like a phone symbol or something like that. Somewhere in this, there's just nothing. And then on the steering wheel, you can also check this source button. As you click it, it'll go between all the different options in your vehicle. And then typically, if you had a vehicle that does have Bluetooth, you'll see something pop up eventually that says like Bluetooth or phone connect or something. Also, to check another way, most vehicles, there'll be something along the side here, or maybe a button somewhere that looks like a person talking symbol, and that would activate your like voice commands, where then you can like talk to whatever is installed in your vehicle for voice controls. Sometimes through that interface you can do like a setup Bluetooth connect phone type option, but this again does not have any of that. So if you're in the same situation as this particular model, your best bet I would recommend, aside from just obviously just using aux connections and stuff like that, is you could install like an aftermarket display. Typically they're relatively affordable, and they would have connectivity for like Bluetooth or Apple Play or Android Audio or something like that if you chose to get a model like that. And then also there's like some aftermarket tuners you can plug in that might help connect to like a radio frequency or something like that, if that's what you're interested in. But I typically would recommend at that point just to put in like a new aftermarket here, and then you get more features, and then you might be able to install also something like a backup camera if you like that. But otherwise, I hope this information was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.